Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to display full names on the Slack application, meaning that you will be able to see the full names of your teammates instead of their usernames. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the use section, but before that you can check out that right now in the direct messages section you can see the username of this particular person, and if you turn on this function you will be able to see their full name, their real name. So tap on the U button down below, which is the last option. After that, tap on Preferences, click on Advanced, which is the third option, and click on the first option, Display Full Names. You can see that it's turned on by the appearance of this checkmark icon. So if you go back to your home page, you will be able to see that now the full name of that person appeared in the direct messages section, as you can see, instead of their username. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.